Greetings students, welcome to my class. Students, in the previous class, we completed the explanation of the chapter, and now in this class, the question answers of the second part of the chapter, the glimpses of India, we are going to do in this class. So let's discuss the question answers because they were left. I hope you all have your books with you and the books are open. We will discuss the thinking about the text questions, my dear students. So let's start with the questions. The first question: where is Coorg? What is the story about the Coorg people's descent? This is the second question. The first question: where is Coorg? You will find the answer on page number 90, and the Coorg. The answer is Coorg is the smallest district of Karnataka, the first line of second paragraph, and rest of the answer where it is situated. It is situated in the midway between Mysore and coastal town of Mangalore. Where sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. So you can write up to Mangalore. So the answer would be Coorg is the smallest district of Karnataka and it is situated midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore, or Mangalore you can say. This is the answer of the first question. Now the second question, my dear students. Second question is: what is the story about the Kodwa people's descent or Coorg people's descent? Means उनके जो कहाँ से वो आए, what is the story behind that, क्यों उनको कुर्ग बुलाते हैं, and what is the culture, what is that? So story, the answer you will find on the same page number 90, and the answer is on the third paragraph, first line. The fiercely independent people of Coorg are possibly of Greek or Arab. They must be possibly Greek or Arab, from Arab descent. Alexander, as one story says, that a part of Alexander's army when they were going back and when they found themselves unable, south along the coast, and when they were moved, part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here when return became impractical. So one story, this is the story behind their Arab or Greek descent. They may be from of Greek or Arabic descent. The Greek story is when one part of Alexander's army was going back from India, they followed the south along the coast and settled here because the return back became impossible. वो असंभव हो गया उनका जाना, so they settled here, and these people, means the part of that army soldiers, married the local women there and they settled here. So this is the answer of the second question, my dear students. Now the third question: what are some of the things you know about? Now there are 5 parts in the third question, so we will discuss the first part, the people of Coorg. So what are the things you know about the people of Coorg? Same answer will be there, my dear students. People of Coorg, they are fiercely, in page number 90, and the third paragraph, first line, you can write the people of Coorgi or Coorgi people. They are fiercely independent people and they are possibly from Greek or Arabic descent. They are fiercely independent. Now the main crop of Coorg, coffee. No, coffee is the main crop of Coorg. The sports it offers to tourists, it offers to the adventurous sports, my dear students, like it offers the sports, river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, mountain biking. So these all are adventurous sports. So the answer would be that the sports which Coorg offer to the tourists are mountain biking, river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, etc. Now the fourth part: the animals you are likely to see in Coorg. You can see the squirrel, the elephants, elephants, krill, macaws, you can see langur, you can see lorries, slender lorries and langurs, elephants. These animals you are likely to see in Coorg. Its distance from Bangalore and how to get there. Well, the distance from Bangalore to Coorg is 250 to 260 kilometer, and you can go by the transport or any other way. Now, next part. Fourth question. Here are 6 sentences with some words in italics. Find phrases from the text that have the same meaning. Look in the paragraphs indicated. So this you must do yourself, but I still will discuss with you, and there are 6 parts. I will tell you the first 3 or 4 parts, and then rest 2 or 3 parts you are going to do yourself, my dear students. The first part is, during monsoon it rains so heavily that tourists do not visit Coorg. Para 2. So the answer would be to keep tourists away. We have to find the same meaning, right? Find the phrases from text that have the same meaning. You have to find the phrases from the text, from the paragraph 2, like it is written para 2. So you will write the meaning of phrases. So to keep the tourists away, it has the same meaning of first sentence. Some people say that Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled there, as one story goes. The answer will be as one story goes. We have to write phrases. Phrases are like sentences, but they don't make the complete sense. Those are called phrases. 2-3 words, group of 3 or 4 words. Even people who normally, third one, the Coorg people are always ready to tell stories of their sons and fathers' valor. Every are more than willing to recount. This will be the answer. The third answer would be are more than willing to recount. Fourth, even people who normally led on an easy and slow life get smitten by the high energy adventure sports of Coorg. So the answer of this would be, my dear students, the most laid back individuals become converts to. The most laid back individuals, those who are relaxed, comfortable, so they are also become converts too. The fifth one, the theory of the Arab origin is supported by the long coat with embroidered waist belt they wear. Para 3. So the answer would be draws support from. So students, I have told you the 5 part of the 4th question, answers of the 5 parts of the 4th question. Now I want you to find out the answer of the 6th part of the 4th question yourself. You will do it, I know that. So in this video, my dear students, the question answers were left to discuss. So I have discussed the question answers. In the next video, we will start the next part of this chapter, the glimpses of India. Thank you.